So let us do one more example on differentiation of any function using product or quotient rule. So the question says that the diagram shows the curve of graph of y is equal to 2x upon root x minus 1, which is undefined for x less than 0 for obvious reason, because under root of x for less than 0 is not possible as far as the real values of x are concerned. Similarly, for x equal to 1, this will become 1 minus 1, which is 0. So something upon 0 is not defined. So it is undefined for negative and for x equal to 1. P is given the minimum point on this curve. So in the first part, we have to find out the derivative of this function. So let us quickly do the differentiation of 2x upon root x minus 1. So solution part 1, that y is 2x upon root x minus 1. That means dy by dx will be obtained using your quotient rule. What it says that we have to square the denominator and then keeping this denominator in the numerator as it is and differentiating first the numerator. So differentiation of 2x is just 2, then applying a minus sign, keep the numerator as it is, and then differentiate root x minus 1. Derivative of root x minus 1 will be 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, because this is x raised to the power half, so half x raised to the power half minus 1 is minus half, so 1 upon 2 root x. Now simplifying this, you will get 2 root x minus 2, right? 2 root x minus 2, this 2 will get cancelled with this, and this root x will cancel with this, you will get just root x. Okay, so minus root x. In the denominator we have root x minus 1 whole square. Okay, so I have the value of derivative as dy by dx is 2x, 2 root x minus root x is root x minus 2 upon root x minus 1 whole square, right? This is your first part. Or the second part says that we have to find the value of gradient of the curve at point 9 comma 9. So as we know that gradient of any function is defined by dy by dx. So you put the value of x as 9 here because the point here is your 9. Okay, so at x equal to 9, value of this will be root 9 minus 2 upon root 9 minus 1 whole square. Root 9 is just 3, so this is 1 upon 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 square is 4. So gradient at point 9 comma 9 is 1 by 4, and then we have to show that the equation of the normal at point 9 comma 9 is given by this. So basically we have to find out the equation of a straight line whose slope will be determined by the slope of the tangent. As we know the fact that tangents and normals are perpendicular to each other. Second part answer, sorry, third part. Yes. So gradient is 1 by 4, gradient of the tangent is 1 by 4. Right? If it is asking find out the gradient at point 9 comma 9, that means it is basically asking the gradient of the tangent drawn at that point. So gradient of the normal will be given by minus 4, because as we know that normals and tangents are perpendicular to each other, and there is a relation between two straight lines which are perpendicular, which is that their multiplication of slopes is minus 1. So if one slope is 1 by 4, second slope has to be minus 4. So this is a slope of, or the gradient of normal. So equation of straight line is given by y minus y1, point is 9 comma 9 we have to find out, at which we have to find out the normal equation. So y minus 9 is equal to slope is minus 4 and x minus 9. Okay, so y minus 9 is equal to minus 4x plus 40 plus 36. So I have equation of normal is y minus 9, sorry, let us transfer this minus 9 to other side, y is equal to minus 4x plus 45. Okay, hence we have shown that this is the equation of a straight line, normal. Okay, y equal to minus 4x plus 45. This is your second part. Third part says that find the coordinates of point P and verify that it is a minimum point. Okay, so let us do quickly that we have to find out the coordinates of point P, as it says that it is a minima point. So minima or maxima is obtained by putting the derivative function equal to 0. Okay, so third part says that we have to put dy by dx equal to 0. So our derivative function was this function root x minus 2. So let us put root x minus 2 upon root x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Okay, this will be 0 only if numerator is 0, right? That means x is 4. If root x is 2, that means x is 4. So this is your minima point. Okay, minima point means the x coordinate of the minima point. If it is asking for the point, means if it says point, that means you have to find out the value of y also. Otherwise, in some questions, it says that find out the x coordinate of the minima point. Here it is just saying point, that means y also we need to find out. So at x equal to 4, as our original function was 2x upon root x minus 1, if we put x equal to 4 here, you will get 8 into 2 minus 1 is 2. So it is just 8. Okay, so coordinates of P I am writing here are 4, 8. Okay, let us put these in these boxes because we have to use these values in the next parts. Third part is done. Let us say what fourth part says. Fourth says that write down the equation of the tangent and the normal to the curve at point P. Now since P is another point which is 4, 8. Okay, at this point we have to find out the tangent and normals. Now since this 4, 8 is a minima point, and we know by definition that at minima or maxima graph turns, that's why these are called turning points, where the tangent remains parallel. Mathematically, since we are putting dy by dx equal to 0 at these minima or maxima point, that means gradient of the tangent is 0, means tangent will always be parallel to x-axis. Okay, so let us draw a straight line which is parallel to x-axis in this graph. This point is 4, 8. So let me quickly draw this straight line. It will be like this. Means the tangent at point 4, 8. Okay, this red line. Then it says that we have to find out the equation for normal also. Okay, we haven't find out first the equation. So any line which is parallel to x-axis is of the type y is equal to constant. Here the y coordinate is 8. So equation of tangent in the fourth part is y is equal to 8. Simple. And the normal, since it is perpendicular to the tangent, so at point 4, 8, my normal will be passing through the point x equal to 4, like this. Okay, means the straight line which is parallel to y-axis passing through 4, it is just nothing but x is equal to 4. So this is the equation of normal. This is the equation of tangent at point 4, 8. Okay, this is fourth part. Fifth part says that write down the equation point of intersection of the normal found in part second, means this normal y is equal to minus 4x plus 45. First we have to find out the point of intersection of this line with the tangents and normals drawn in fourth part. Okay, whatever the value, whatever the equation you have found out in part 4, means equation of tangent is y is equal to 8, equation of normal is x equal to 4. We have to find out the point of intersection of the normal drawn in second part, which is minus 4x plus 5, with these equations, with these straight lines. Okay, so let us hypothetically, or let us suppose the straight line, since it is of negative slope and its y-intercept is positive, so let me introduce a line like this, for example, like this. Okay, so this is, let us suppose the equation of normal at point 9, 9. Okay. It says that the tangent found in part 4, call it point Q. So in this point, you will say that it is point Q. Point intersection of second part normal with the tangent is point Q. This point, it is saying it is P. So basically what it is asking, that we have to show that the area of the triangle PQR in the sixth part, PQR is this triangle. Okay. So we have to show that the area of this triangle is 441 by 8. Right. So how we can find out the area of triangle? Area of triangle is basically half base into height. So we have to find out this length PQ. Not this is not P, this is R basically. So we have to find out PQ. Right. And then we have to find out PR, which is the height of this triangle. Then we can apply half base into height. Okay. Now PQ is this distance. So first we have to find out the point of intersection, right, which it was asking basically in point 5. So this point Q is denoted by, is basically the intersection of x, not x, y is equal to 0 with y equal to minus 4x plus 45. Okay. There are so much y's and x involved that I am, confused in saying whether I have to say minus 4x or 4. So just bear with me that this point Q is the point intersection of a straight line normal in the second part with y is equal to 4. So you put y is equal to 4 here. So 4 is equal to minus 4x plus 45. X will be, y is equal to 4. Yes. Okay. Y is equal to not 4, basically y is equal to 8, because I am making this mistake. Yes, y is equal to 8 we have to do. Okay, because x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 8. So 8 is equal to minus 4x plus 45, and this x will be 45 minus 8 is 37, 37 by 4. 37 by 4. So this x coordinate here is 37 by 4. Means this whole distance from origin is 37 by 4. Okay, and distance from origin to this point is 4. So basically my PQ will be 37 by 4 minus distance 4. Right. So 37 by 4 minus 4. Right. OQ distance, if you call this point as O dash, so OQ minus OP is your PQ. Okay, OQ distance is 37 by 4, x coordinate of this point intersection of this line with this line, and this point P has x coordinate is 4. So O dash Q minus O dash P is PQ. So this is basically 21 by 4. Let me rub this, and I am directly writing this 21 by 4. Okay, 21 by 4. Now we have to find out this height PR. Again, the point intersection of this line width, in this case x is equal to 4. So put x equal to 4 here. So y is equal to minus 16 plus 45 is 29. Okay, so this length is 29, and from 29 we have to subtract 8. Right, so I will get PR as 21. Okay, now you can apply the formula. Area of triangle is half your base is PQ and height is PR. That means half PQ is 21 by 4 and PR is 21. So it is nothing but, let me write it here. Yes. So sixth part I am doing. Area of triangle is half PQ into PR. So this is half, PQ was your base, 21 by 4, and height was 21. So this is 441 by 8 square units. Okay, very long question, I think. Okay, see you with the next topic. Bye.